guitar fill jar and the gale. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. And you too can have fun on the bayou. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Jambalaya by Hank Williams. We're going to start off with the chords. The first one is a C chord. Your first finger goes on the second string, first fret. Your middle finger goes on the fourth string, second fret. And your ring finger goes on the fifth string, third fret. And you're going to play 5 strings. The other chord is a G chord, and we're going to take these 2 fingers and move them over both at the same time so that we wind up with the middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and the ring finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Pick your first finger up and let it hang. It just relaxes for this one. And your pinky is going to play the 1st string on the 3rd fret. And you're going to play all 6. The basic strumming pattern for Jambalaya is what I call a boom diggy diggy diggy. You're going to go boom diggy 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 boom diggy 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 boom. So on the first note, you're going to play the root of the chord. For the C, it's the C note on the 5th string, 3rd fret. For the G chord, it's the G you're playing on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You'll notice I'm touching the bottom string to make it easier to find my root note. Anytime I pick on the guitar, I'm usually touching it someplace so I can find the string with my hand instead of having to look. Once you've got the basic pattern down, here's a couple of rhythm licks to make it more interesting. What I'm doing there is, instead of just a simple boom diggy diggy diggy, it's more of a boom diggy boom diggy. And I'm alternating between the C and the G, which are both in the C chord, so that's no problem. C, down, up, G. Now, with your left hand, you have to move your ring finger to change notes. But look how easy that is. So try it with me. Slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, if you had trouble with that, well, rewind it and try it again. It's a video. Let's try it a little faster now. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. When I'm playing the G chord, I'm doing something a little more complicated. I'm doing the boom diggy, but then I'm playing the 3rd string open and hammering on, and playing it open again. Boom, diggy. It's okay if you hit the other strings because you're still playing the chord. If the hammer-on seems difficult, just check in the links below for an introduction lesson to hammer-ons. Jambalaya is a great classic country song that's not difficult to play at all. 2 chords, an easy rhythm pattern, and some fun tricks to throw on once you've mastered that. Don't forget to check in the links below for other songs that you might like to learn, as well as the chord chart to this song. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Jambalaya by Hank Williams. Dress in style, walk wild.